I'm Silvina Solman from Argentina. I'm very glad to have the opportunity of being here in this event. From my perspective, I really think EVE will bring bunches of opportunities for the region, for the South American part of the world, mainly because it provides a challenging opportunity and a challenging tool to really get into the problem of trying to understand the impacts of climate change and to start thinking on how to adapt on climate change in the future. Though we already have some initiatives in the region, they are always based on models that are not that high resolution. So this global challenge is really a different perspective that will change the way we can approach the problem of adapting to climate change. I really understand that EVE will be a very important activity, and as long as many people in that part of the world, not only from the science side, but also on the practitioners and the stakeholder side, can gather together to build what is necessary to take the largest advantage of this great initiative.